Okay, so we'll see now one animations regarding the compression molding. Okay, so let us see this video. Okay, just see this parts. This is lower part of die. This is upper part of die, and this is punch. This is punch. And this black color pin, this black color pin is showing the it is a ejector. Okay, about two black color pins, they are guide pins. Understand the process. If you see, the pressure is applied, and due to compression process, the inside shape is called as cavity, and due to this cavity, we got such a shape of the part. Cooling is happening. In this chapter, we are going to design this mold, this cavity, pressure, and this extraction or ejector pin. And this is final shape. Okay, so this is the all about the video. Okay, now write down the syllabus. Write down the syllabus. Write down syllabus. Write down the syllabus. A. The chapter consists of two parts, A and B. A. Design and main parts of compression mold, standard insert mold body, design of loading chamber, design of punch, ejector, strippers, guide pins, technology. Then B part, technology of a transfer mold, types, main parts, automation in the transfer mold. Take a 1 minute time and write down this.
Okay, is it completed? Is it completed? Roll number 11, Vinayak. Roll number 12, 20, 21. Is it completed? 34, 35. Reply fast. Roll number 1. Okay. So this is a syllabus. Okay. So this is not necessary to write all this thing. Uh, okay. So what we are going to study in this chapter? Compression and transfer molding process, that thick parts which cannot be plasticized into the extruder. So this is the major thing we are going to study in this chapter. Okay. So give the first reading. First point of the chapter: mold heating. Mold heating. First point. Write down the first point: mold heating. Okay. This is very simple, and 2 or 3 MCQ in university they will ask on mold heating and its problem. Minimum 2 MCQ they will ask. Okay, so it is very simple. Mold heating concept is very simple. Okay, so what is the mold heating concept? I will teach you. Before that, I will show one video. Mm, okay. Okay. So this is the setup, or we can say the process of compression molding. Okay. So as we know that here we are initially we are placing the solid material, or you can say powder, loose powder here. And after that, that loose powder we are heating inside it, and after that we are pressing the upper die, and by applying the pressure we are generating such a part. Simple concept. Huh? So what is meaning of mold heating? Why the concept is mold heating? Okay, if you see, this inside portion is a cavity, and this part is taking the shape of this cavity, and it is a generating, and this is outside is a mold. Okay, this mold, what we are doing to convert this powder into the melt, we are heating this mold. We are heating the mold. Okay, but while heating the mold, one thing we need to clear, that the mold, each and every point must have same temperature. Okay, if suppose left side mold portion has 200-degree temperature, Celsius degree, and right side is 150. So due to this difference of these two temperatures, that will affect on the product quality. Okay, so here the product will not melt more, but on left side it will be more because of 200 degrees Celsius, here 150 degrees Celsius, and after we press it, then right side portion, this portion will not take shape, as per the requirement properly. Why? Because not maintaining the temperature up to the benchmark. Okay, so for this purposes, to maintaining the mold heating constant from point A to point Z within the same difference. Okay, so for that purposes, we have three mold heating processes. First one, by using oil or steam. By and second one, by using electrical power. Okay, so these are three mold heating processes. Okay, then which is the best? Question will arise, which is the best and which is better? Okay, there is no word bad, which is best and which is a better. Okay, as we take the example of oil or steam mold heating process, this heating process will give us the more accuracy, and by using this process we can get a success to maintain the temperature difference within the 3 degrees Celsius. And by using the electrical heating, we can get the temperature difference within the 6 degree Celsius. Okay, so what is meaning of this? If we will use this mold heating by using the oil or steam, then we can achieve the difference within the 3 degrees Celsius. Means that if on the left side, if there is a temperature is 200, then on right side the temperature must be 197, 198, sorry, 198, 199 or 200. It will not be less than 196. And if you go for the electric heating, then the temperature difference will be will be within the 6 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is all about the mold heating. Mold heating is very important in product quality. Okay, if mold heating will not constant, will not proper, then we will not get the desired product or desired product at a desired quality. We will not get it. Okay, so this is why important the mold heating process. And MCQ purposes, you guys have to keep in these two dimensions, so two words important. In oil and steam case, in steam case, we can achieve the temperature distance within the 3 degrees Celsius, and in electrical case, we can achieve the uh, temperature within the 6 degree Celsius. Okay, so that's it about mold heating. Okay, so is it understood? Please reply fast. Is it understood? Write this, give the heading, and write this up to this marked line. Write down fast. Take a 2-3 minute time and write on this.
Is it completed? Anybody please reply. Is it completed? Okay. So write down below. Write it fast. Okay, so write it fast. Okay, so hope you guys have completed it. So go for the diagram. Draw this diagram. Draw this diagram first.
Okay, so that's it for today. I will take the attendance.